At CFM, we want to understand how the ETF market works, if there is some alpha there that could benefit our funds. My role is to ensure that the data is cleaned. One day at CFM usually comes with our daily meeting with other teams, so everyone review their project they're working on. Then I would work on some projects like coding. We start from basically a blank page. You have to do everything to gather the data and distribute it. It's just building your own system and speaking with different teams about their view on ETFs. I studied computer sciences in engineering school, and after that I did a business school. I wanted to come at CFM for really improving my computer science skills because I know they are at the top of that game. And they have such a track record, such longevity in the business. When I found out that I had the job, basically I quit immediately my old job. I was really happy. It was a really easy integration. Everyone at the firm is very patient and kind. They make you feel that you can ask every question you need. CFM is really collaborative. Usually at other companies or hedge funds, you would have pods or independent team that would compete against another. It's not the case at all at CFM. To thrive at CFM, I think a person should be very curious about technology, about finance, about news. My goal at CFM is just to learn as much as I can from the people that are experts in their respective fields. That would be my goal.